the solution for the chapter 3, reproduction in animals. Although you have already would have got the solutions in the live class, still we have a video for the same. You can note down these answers in the book as well as the copy work you can complete. So first we have the solutions for the book exercise. Some internal exercise also are there. You can refer, you can see the page numbers are mentioned. So first page 43, assess yourself. Here we have the fill in the blanks. Just you can note down these answers. I will just scroll down. Wherever you need, you can take a pause in the video and note these answers. Then next is page 45, think zone. Here answer you have to just note it in the book itself, no need to write in the copy. Page 48, name the following. All these answers are one word answers. Here we begin with the book exercise. State the correct option. Only the correct option I have written. Like first answer is B option, hydra. Second B, placenta. Third option B, scrotum. 4 option B, ovum. And 5 option A, fallopian tube. Next is the fill in the blanks. Here only the correct option, only the correct answer is mentioned. Directly you can just take a note of these. Question third will be true or false. In this what you have to do is correct the false statement also. So whatever you have to correct, I have underlined that word, you will cut and write the correct word as it is written. And the second, that is false. So male you will cut and write there false, and then it is to be written as female. Next is also third answer is false. Here in place of seminal vesicle you will write scrotum. Fourth answer as well is false, and here in place of implantation you have to write fertilization. Question 5 as well is false. In place of binary fission you have to cut this and write budding. Means we have to correct the given false statements and then we can make it into true. So next will be match the following. The correct answers have been mentioned in front of the given option. Fission is amoeba, budding in hydra, sperm male gamete, ova female gamete, and fragmentation is in planarians. State the functions of the following. In the book itself you can write this. All the functions are mentioned. Next we have give one word for the following. In this give one word, all the answers you can note down. One correction is there in the question number 5 of this part. The question is given wrong in the book. As it is given in the book is a cord that connects an embryo to its placenta. So this question appears to be wrong. You will cut placenta and write uterus. In the question you have to do the correction. So question क्या हो जाएगा? Question will be cord that connects the embryo to the uterus. Then answer you will write as placenta. So that is what it makes it correct. Next now question number 51. Answer the following in short. So what are the common methods? All these answers are given. I will now just scroll down. You can take a pause wherever needed. This question is relatively having a long answer. Actually it is a combination of two different parts, two different questions are there. One is you have to explain the male reproductive system, and second is you have to explain the female reproductive system. In exam single one may be asked, so because they have combined two questions together, answer has become relatively longer. It is a combination of two different questions. So here you have to draw the diagram also for the male as well as the female reproductive system, that is given alongside, you can see in the book there. So the diagrams also you have to draw. Next will be the differentiate between the following. So you can take a note of this. Second is this difference between sperm and ovum. Here we have the think critically answers. These also you have to note down in the class notebook only. Next, the last one is the diagram based question. Only the answers I have given. They are asking the labeling to be done, and you can note down this. You can also do the labeling by observing the diagram given in the textbook also. So that is all for this exercise part. We will be continuing with the explanation of the chapter 4 that was going on from the next upcoming week. That is all for today. Thank you.